Hi guys, and welcome to 123myIT's video on how to install Windows 8.1 on a Mac with VMware Fusion. Okay guys, so I've showed you previously how to install Windows 8.1 on your Mac using boot camp method, which is good for gaming, but also I want to show you now how to install Windows 8.1 on a Mac using the VMware Fusion software. Now what this allows you to do, guys, is it allows you to browse Windows without the need to restart your Mac, and I'll show you a bit more of that shortly. And it also allows you to use Windows apps on your Mac. The other thing I might want to mention is it's no good for gaming because you actually use up more resources because you're actually running two operating systems at once. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is download this VMware Fusion DMG file. And the link for that, if you want to download it, you can go to the 123myit.com website, click on Downloads. And then once the Downloads page loads up, you'll see a VMware Fusion, and underneath that you'll have VMware Fusion for Mac download here. Okay, so you can download that. Now this is a trial version. It will ask you to upgrade or purchase the copy after 1 month, so just be aware of that. What I would suggest is if you want to trial this version, try it, see how you go for 1 month. If you don't like it, delete it. If you like it, maybe buy it. I'm not trying to sell anything. It's not. I just want to show you guys what you need to do to get it up and running and working. Alright, so I'm just going to close that now, and we'll go in and open up the file. Now I've already downloaded this from the 123myit website. Alright, and then you'll have to double click the icon here to install it. Okay, click open. Put in your password. Okay, click agree. Alright, we don't have a license key at the moment, so we're just going to go, I want to try VMware Fusion for 30 days. Okay, put in your email address there. Okay, once you put in your email address and hit continue there, it'll come up and it will say, yes, I would like to help improve VMware Fusion. I just always take the tick out of that one when I get asked and hit done. Okay, so now it says create a virtual machine. So what we're actually doing is we're creating a virtual, essentially a virtual machine within your Mac operating system. So you can actually set up more than Windows 8 using this version, and I'll show you that in a sec. So now it's saying select the installation method. So install from a disk or image, or import an existing PC. So if you already had this set up and you already know how to do it, you would use this method here. If you want to set it up from scratch, which is what we're going to do, you will need this method here. Okay, so install from disk or image, and this is our Windows image here. You can actually download that as well from the 123myit website under downloads. Okay, you can actually download the Windows 8 64-bit edition or the 32-bit edition there. I've downloaded that, and that's on my desktop now, so I want to click on here, make sure that's selected, and then we want to hit continue. Alright, choose an operating system, installation, disk or image. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to go to the desktop, click on Windows Blue, click open. Alright, so it says here Windows 8.1 64-bit, and then hit continue. Okay, use easy install. So normally, guys, I would just keep this use easy install. You can take this out and it will just prompt you for all the details there. But we've got a Windows product key. If we again go back to the 123myit website and we copy the serial key, pop it in there, okay, and we're just going to put in a password, nice and easy one. Okay, we want to choose Windows 8.1 is fine, and then we're going to hit continue. Alright, you can have it. You can select either way how you want to integrate the Windows. So you can have it so it comes up as an actual application, which means that you can add all the Windows applications to your taskbar, or you can just have it just so it comes up as a window and you can't actually integrate it with OS X. Just for the time being, we're going to select the more seamless and hit continue. Alright, then it just gives you an overview of all these. Now, as you can see here, I mentioned before it takes up more resources. As you can see, it will actually take up 1 gig of memory to run this on this MacBook Air that I have. Now, this MacBook Air only has 4 gig of memory, so one of those gigs is going to go straight away to this new Windows virtual machine. Alright, so just be aware of that. Hit finish. We want to save it as new virtual machine, that's fine, just go save again. There you go, so it's just setting up the VMware tools now. Okay guys, so there we have it. So it's installed now. If we want to go down here and we want to just right click on the VMware Fusion icon, and we can go keep in dock, so it will always stay there. And then if we have a look, click on here, type in our password, and you can see now we've got our Windows 8.1 running in a virtual machine on our Mac. There's some other options across the top here as well, which you can go through and have a look at. You can also maximize the window. So I'm not sure whether this will capture it properly on the video or not. Okay, but you can actually go in and use it as if it's Windows running on your Mac. Alright, and you can browse and do everything that you would normally do. Let's say we wanted to go to 123myit.com website. Alright, you can see that comes up as well. If you want to get out of that full screen mode, you can just go back to the top here. So just move your mouse up to the top in the virtual machine and click on that one, and that will bring us back out of there. Alright, you can also do utility view, which is this view here. Okay, and then what it actually does, it actually puts Internet Explorer on your taskbar. So let's say we wanted to put that in a taskbar. We could then go minimize it, okay, and then maximize it again, and then we would have, you know, Windows applications running essentially in OS X. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, it's fun to have a play around with that one. Works pretty well. Remember what I said, that it's not really any good for gaming. If you want to do gaming, you should look up the boot camp option, which is this one here. Install Windows 8.1 on a MacBook Air, no DVD drive, and that's a boot camp option. So that's better for gaming. Alright, so that's pretty much it guys. So if that was helpful, please leave a thumbs up on the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.